Winter is over and spring has sprung for many parts of the world, which means floral design is back in. Representing rebirth and bringing color and brightness back into our lives, florals are a positive style to nod to during spring. But how can your brand capitalize on the trend quickly and without breaking the bank? Well, that's why we're here. This is our list of the 10 best floral design templates for spring. All items featured today are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription service that helps bring your ideas to life. With access to millions of design assets and services, simply download whatever items you want, as many times as you want, to enhance your creative projects. Number 10. Keep it minimal and stylish with this line art vector pack from Telephoto. Featuring 23 linear floral designs, easily create logos, wall art, packaging, and more. Simply grab the design you like, pair it with a complementing shape or texture, or keep it plain over a white canvas. Either way, you'll be creating elegant floral designs in no time. Number 9. Featuring 13 stunningly detailed renders of real plants, this pack by Caleria will provide an elegance beyond compare to go with your brand. Covering different types of flowers and featuring high-resolution images, each design is signed and includes a completely transparent background for you to use however you like. The attention to detail and care with which this pack is designed is breathtaking. It's a great choice for letting people know that spring has arrived. Number 8. Wanting the vintage look of a painting to pair with your design? Check out this watercolor floral set by Nasty Art. It features 12 designs, all high resolution with a transparent background and hand-drawn look to them. The colors are natural and earthy, achieving a welcome, authentic feel. They're great to add to other content or simply print out and use as artwork around the house. Number 7. You always know spring has sprung with this color combo. These magenta and yellow designs are hand-painted watercolor pieces, ideal for invitations, scrapbooking, and more. There are 22 different designs in various forms to choose from. Some include separate flowers and arrangements, all in a high DPI to make printing and digital scaling easy. You can feel the weather warming up with this one. Number 6. From the same author comes this incredibly romantic and bright pack of hand-painted watercolor flowers. Ideal for wedding invitations, business cards, branding, and more, the files are provided in PNG format with high resolution. The brightness of the pinks and magentas, offset by the dark and luscious greens, make these designs pop off the page or screen. They're an excellent choice to tell your audience spring is here. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Envato channel for more vector design templates. Number 5. This pack of vintage flower designs are fit for an earthy, more hipster audience. Featuring beautiful, moody shading, earthy greens, vivid colors, and incredible hand-drawn details. These designs are ready to be printed or shared online as they are. You can imagine them as standalone pieces, or a combination of them forming a pattern for apparel or as artwork. Get to the roots of spring with this pack. Number 4. Web Villa has created this pack featuring 14 clip art hand-painted watercolor floral frames and wreaths, along with 2 seamless patterns. Whether it's branding for a business card, wrapping for a present, or a design to be shared on Instagram, the watercolor details and inviting colors attract the eye and create a warmth many are waiting for spring to deliver. The files are high resolution and easily pairable. Number 3. Following a 70s aesthetic, this abstract florals pack mixes line drawings and filled vector illustrations that can be pulled out individually or grouped to form patterns. With 138 vintage elements to choose from, all available in EPS, AI, and SVG formats, as well as PNG options, you've got full control over the content of this pack to color, fill, rotate, and morph as you like. And just looking at the examples, you could create great mobile wallpapers, business cards, and invitations, even tote bags with this pack. Number 2. Push floral design to the edge with this unique pack by Hello Marco. With 45 patterns and textures in a variety of styles, you'll have what you need to create art prints, notebook covers, album art, and more. The designs are 12 by 12 and 300 dpi, featuring a dynamic mix of 3D looking elements and 2D patterns to create something truly unique. You'll shake the floral cliches off with this one. Number 1. Elegance comes first with this pack, blending exquisitely detailed line art designs with a subtle color scheme and a seamless floral pattern. Each of the elements has been hand-drawn individually and then turned into vector designs, which are provided in the pack. There are 20 Illustrator and EPS files included, along with the same number of JPEG and PNG files, all in 300 dpi and all tileable. Whether it's for an invitation, a phone cover, wrapping paper, or a standalone feature artwork, it's a hard pack not to want to use. That wraps up our list of the 10 best floral templates for spring. Which item was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And check out the description for links to all the items shown today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Envato channel for more roundups. And check out the next video, selected just for you.